My name is Bill King. I'm a project manager for Nissan in Tennessee. I take on projects like this PowerHIVE system. We've been using lead acid for years, and we've been swapping lead acid for years. So looking at what's the next step. So we were looking at standalone lithium, and once this product came out on the market, this was our first choice. Lead acid just traditionally, it's very inexpensive, but there's a lot of safety concerns with it because you are dealing with acid, and the maintenance side of that. And then we did have full-time employees that all they did was change the batteries, swap the batteries for our material handling folks. So it was labor intensive, it was maintenance intensive, and it takes a huge amount of space because we had to have 3 batteries per truck, per forklift to support our production. So that was looking for alternatives. How do we shrink those or eliminate those and get a good or better service? Usually in a manufacturing facility, automotive, there's not a lot of extra space. We pretty much utilize every square inch of the building. Battery rooms are big space hogs. They use a lot of space. So to have a small footprint, that was a big payoff. To be able to conveniently locate them because the requirements are different. A lot of battery rooms, ventilation, and everything you have to have with those. So that was a plus. And the fact that it was we could utilize it in so many different vehicles. We have a handful of common forklifts that we use. When we can use that across all those and our tuggers as well. So it's one battery essentially works for a lot of different vehicles, so that was a benefit. Management side is that they're not away from their work areas for very long with the battery swap, the lead acid battery swap. They a lot of times had to wait in line because you have multiple people changing at the same time, and the change times were longer. So to have a short 2-minute swap, and the fact that we can conveniently locate these, that was a payoff for them. The technicians, the material handling technicians, love it because they don't have anybody to interact with. They get in, it's very safe. They get in, push a button, confirm it's safe to run, and they're out of there. So it's a great for both. Well, one, their support. They're very accommodating. They're open to share their knowledge and their technology, and they seriously look at our conditions. They spend the time it takes to understand the conditions, and then our future goals, not just current. Say we run 3 shifts in the past. If we ever had to do that again, this is the type system would support that. So that's how they support us. They make sure that we have the product we need for our current and future.